Hi, this is Paris from Rapid Visual, and in this video I want to demonstrate to you how you can design multiple napkin sketches, concepts, visual concepts of your early ideas so you can use them to align with your team, make some selections perhaps on some criteria you come up with. It always helps if you have a visual to be able to do that. But we're going to do that using the business model canvas as our anchor. So as we get into Rapid Visual and we already started building on our idea of the emergency power bank backup or the solar powered portable power bank, you have a couple of value propositions there and they're not really explicit in my mind. I'd like to visualize them and be able to align with the rest of my team. So once I hover over the solar powered portable power bank, as you can see there on the screen, there is the option to click on the napkin sketch itself, that little tiny icon that I will click on right there. And as soon as I do that, what happens is the AI takes over, comes up with the prompt that would be needed to generate this, and has even come up with a name for this particular product. It's called EcoCharger, and below you can see the description, which is exactly what you had in your value proposition, which is solar-powered portable power bank. Now the next thing that will happen is automatically it'll start to generate one possible visual of your idea. And so this is exactly actually what I had in mind. It's a smartphone-sized solar charger that is extremely efficient and can charge 12 different devices at the same time. Now, there's a couple things I can edit here. First, I can edit the name, and I want to just click in there and call it EcoCharger 3000. But I can also edit the value proposition or the description of this particular idea if it helps different individuals who haven't been involved in this process to be able to understand very quickly how do you actually explain the value that this might be able to provide. Now, the next thing I can do is click to change style, and I can choose from different styles. And let's say, for example, I wanted to go with something different and regenerate. This is interesting. It gives me something a little bit more involved with different devices. Or I can then export that to a PDF and be able to print that and discuss it with my team. Now, once you've done that, you go from your napkin sketch, click to go back to your business model canvas, and once you're there, you can see that there's a little green highlight over the napkin, which means that that particular value proposition has an idea already visualized within minutes. And now you can keep innovating and enjoy.